Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up Parrot Disco LTE Dashboard from deploying to taking off. After logging in, go to Settings, set the ID that will be used in the flight link. You can use your name, username or whatever you want. Next, set your zero-tier network ID. Go to your zero-tier networks and copy it from here or here. Set your Disco IP from zero-tier. This is available in the zero-tier network. Personally, I always set the IP with the same suffix, like here, with 101. Now, set your home location if you want. Go to this website and find your location. I will start from here, but there is not enough space for an emergency circular landing. That is why I want my home location to be set here on the bigger field. Now click on this and copy the coordinates and remember the altitude meters. Paste these coordinates into the settings and set the altitude. Now you can save your settings. I don't be doing that. Now you are ready to deploy. Select the nearest region. For me, it's Warsaw, and click deploy. Now deploying is in progress. Your request is received by the service. This will take about 5 minutes, so you can prepare your disco, connect the battery, the LTE modem, etc. Here is the flight link. You can remember that or copy it if you want. As you can see, the deployment is in progress. Your request has been accepted by the service and it is deploying now. The dashboard is ready. Now you should accept new member in the zero-tier network. For now, you have to always do that after deployment. Don't set the name because this member will be offline after 3 hours and you can remove it. Now you can click the flight link to check if it works. As you can see, dashboard deployed successfully, but don't connect now. Grab your smartphone with Parrot Disco and go to the field. Parrot Disco is turned on. Now I will show you how to take off. Wait about 20 seconds after turning on, so the disco can connect to the zero-tier network. Now, using your smartphone, go to your flight link. Set the test token, which will allow you to take off. Otherwise, you won't be able to do anything. Click Connect. Now, zoom out. This dashboard is not responsive for now. As you can see, the connection is very bad, but will be good in the air. Click the green heart icon to check if everything is okay. As you can see, everything is good, so we can take off. Take your disco in one hand and your smartphone in the other. Click the takeoff button and throw the disco. Disco will take off and start hovering. Now I will reconnect to dashboard with the token Let's Roll 2, which has only camera, roll and throttle control enabled. You can go home, and while going home, you can set your direction where you want to fly. I'm at home now, connected to the dashboard. As you can see, everything works, so I can continue the flight from home using my PC and home internet. After landing, don't forget to stop the dashboard from running. That's all for today. We will see you in the next tutorial about the Parrot Disco LTE Dashboard.